Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Culture. Today we are going to explore one of Iran's lesser known but strategically important fighter jets, the Saeqeh-80. This aircraft is a significant part of Iran's indigenous military aviation program and a symbol of its effort to become self-reliant in defense technologies. So let's dive deep into what makes the Saeqeh-80 special. The Saeqeh-80, also known as Thunderbolt 80, is an upgraded and slightly more advanced variant of the original Saeqeh fighter, which itself is based on the American F5 Tiger II platform. Iran originally received the F5 from the United States before the 1979 Islamic Revolution, but after decades of sanctions and isolation, Iran had to reverse engineer and modify the aircraft to keep its fleet operational. This resulted in the creation of aircraft like the Saeqeh and eventually the Saeqeh-80. The Saeqeh-80 is visually similar to its predecessor, but it comes with important aerodynamic and avionics improvements. Unlike the single vertical tail of the F5, the Saeqeh-80, like the original Saeqeh, features twin vertical stabilizers, giving it a more modern silhouette. This modification is not only cosmetic, but it also offers better stability during high-speed maneuvers and greater control at higher angles of attack. In terms of design, the airframe remains relatively compact and lightweight, which helps in maintaining agility and speed. The aircraft is powered by twin turbojet engines, which are likely Iranian-produced versions of the General Electric J85 engine. These engines allow the Saeqeh-80 to reach speeds up to Mach 1.6 and give it a combat radius suitable for regional missions. Now let's talk about its avionics and weapon systems. While Iran hasn't publicly released full specifications, the Saeqeh-80 is believed to feature an upgraded radar, possibly a domestic version of the Russian Kopio or Chinese KLJ series radars. This radar allows the aircraft to track multiple targets at once and engage them with short to medium range air-to-air missiles such as the Iranian-made Azarash or other modified variants of US and Soviet-era missiles. The aircraft can also carry general-purpose bombs, unguided and laser-guided rockets, and air-to-ground missiles, making it suitable for multi-role operations including close air support and ground strikes. Additionally, Iran has tested domestic targeting pods, which may be integrated into the Saeqeh-80 to enhance its precision strike capability. The cockpit has also seen upgrades, including the use of digital multifunction displays and possibly a head-up display. This digital cockpit environment gives the pilot better situational awareness and allows for more advanced navigation and targeting functions. Though it may not match modern fifth-generation fighters, it significantly improves upon the original 1970s F5 systems. The Saeqeh-80 made its first public appearance in airshows and military exercises in the late 2010s, but its operational status remains somewhat limited. Iran has not mass-produced this variant in large numbers, but it serves as a testbed and a symbol of Iran's determination to build and maintain its own fleet of combat aircraft, especially under the pressure of international sanctions. Iranian defense officials have often emphasized that aircraft like the Saeqeh-80 are stepping stones toward more advanced fighters such as the next-generation Kosar or the still under development Qaher 313. Even though the Saeqeh-80 doesn't match the capabilities of modern Western or Russian jets, it plays a critical role in Iran's strategy of asymmetric defense and regional deterrence. In conclusion, the Saeqeh-80 is more than just a modified F5. It represents a chapter in Iran's journey toward defense independence, blending legacy American technology with local innovation and strategic necessity. It shows how Iran has creatively extended the life and relevance of aging platforms through smart engineering and adaptation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this full explanation of the Saeqeh-80, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into global defense technology. See you in the next video only on Auto Culture.